Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Oyimat. In today's video, I'm going to share with you these 2020 top tips to use and gain weight before 3 days. But before we do that, please, if today is the first time of stopping by, you're welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Oyimat, and don't forget to click on your notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So today I'm going to share with you these home remedies, okay, which the first home remedies I'm gonna use is my groundnuts, which will be blended, and I'm still gonna take you to where I'm gonna do the DIY do it yourself home remedies to use and gain weight. So I'm gonna use my groundnuts, my coconut, and I'm gonna use banana, and as well, and my boiled egg, as well my avocado pear. So this five home remedies, that's the five home remedies that I'm gonna use and show you how to prepare this great meal smoothie. It's more like a smoothie anyway. So what you're gonna do is join me while we prepare it. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna use today is my groundnut. Almost all of us are guilty of munching on those crunchy and crispy peanuts. So while binge watching our favorite television series, that's while we are trying to watch our television series. Likewise, peanut is a very comfort food for many people. So it comes with a lot of cons as well. So observational studies have shown that I'm gonna blend it now, that peanut consumption may help to maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of obesity. So this peanut is very good, as the study shows. So I would say it's just a very the weight gain of this peanut, I would say it's very slim, but it will give you a very good shape. So I'm done blending it. Okay, so once I'm done blending the peanut, what I'm gonna do is I'll still bring out my second remedy, which is going to be, I'm actually bringing out my plate now. Okay, which I'll turn the blended peanuts inside. This is just measure of 3 tablespoons of my blended peanuts in a different bowl. I'm sure you're seeing what I'm doing. Okay, 3 full tablespoons, as if I knew the quantity that I just finished peeling out. So the second one is my avocado pear. This my avocado pear, it contains 5 grams of fat. So daily value of this avocado pear, it gives you 23%. And please don't forget to subscribe, as I said. Then it is without a doubt that these avocados are healthy. Okay, not only the avocados are high in calories, but they contain healthy fats. So if you want to gain weight, all you have to do is put your avocado on this, that is your fresh avocado, on your list. Okay, so now that I'm done dividing the avocado, which is very fresh, I'm gonna scoop out the avocado, okay, and put inside my plate. You've seen the way I'm scooping it. I'm not just scooping it all, but I'm scooping it in a way that it will be nice. Once it's been blended, it will give me what I want. It will be smooth as well. That's why I'm picking it this way. Okay, so the same thing applicable to this other one. So what I'm gonna do this time around is just to take the easiest way of removing the pit. That is it. So it's just to use the knife. Okay, hit it at the center, then start taking my avocado with my spoon, which is seen already. Okay, this avocado is very fresh and healthy. It's very high in calories as well, because it contains healthy fat. So the number one thing that you can use to gain fat is your avocado. And please don't forget to like my video as well. After seeing, don't forget to share with your friends. So it's time for me to use my boiled egg. Okay, my boiled egg is ready. So anybody that needs to gain a very great shape, boiled egg is the second thing. So once you're done peeling the shell of the boiled egg, they are great to eat to gain healthy weight. But this time around, okay, it's actually my white boiled egg. So I'm gonna cut it into a bowl of where my blended groundnut and my avocado are. So I'm cutting everything with the egg yolk. So these eggs are actually great to eat. So guys, it's time to bring out my banana. The banana I'm gonna use is banana with black spots on them because they are healthier and more delicious. So they are also good at helping you gain weight because it contains protein, healthy fat, and vitamin B6. Okay, so this banana is very good, it's super good, which you've seen the way I'm doing it. After peeling it, I started cutting them with my hand, okay, inside the bowl where my blended groundnut, my egg, the avocado, everything is inside. So it's time to mix everything together now. Okay, so it's time to mix everything together. I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. You can add milk and eat it like this, or you can add anything of your choice. Okay, then I'm gonna transfer to a blender. You've seen my blender, it's small for what I'm actually doing currently. Okay, so I'm now taking everything. I have to transfer everything, the blended groundnut, my banana, the egg, and my avocado inside one blender, which is gonna blend everything to smooth size. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on notification bell as well, because it's very important. So it's time for me to add 1 cup of my milk. This milk is actually optional. There are some people that prefer using water, but if you can afford it, it's not a problem. This one is pure milk into my blender, which I've turned everything inside. You've seen it. Okay, just a cup of it. Then I've closed my blender with liquid blend. Okay, so look at my healthy yummy food for great shape. When I say great shape, this one is great shape. Everything has been blended and turned to smoothie. So there are some people that prefer taking it this way, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, now that once I'm done transferring it into my glass, okay, so I'm done transferring it, logging it into a better and healthier life. Ha! I can feel it. Wow, this is lovely. And it's so smooth. Do you know why it's smooth? It's because I blended everything. And most of my blender is very sharp. This is for a beautiful body. Okay, so guys, don't forget to share my video with your friends and loved ones, telling them about how my channel and everything is helping you, because I know you can't just live here without testimonies. You can't make this smoothie after drinking it for 2-3 days without testimony. So you drink this every day for 1 week and you will see great shape forming on you. Yeah, I'm telling you, once I say great shape, figure 8 forming on you. Wow, my smoothie is so nice and it's very smooth. That's why I'm so much in love with it. Okay, it's very nice. As I said, you shouldn't forget to share my video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, because a lot of people are so keen to have this opportunity, to see this opportunity. It tastes yummy. Wow, It's very nice and lovely, guys. Please like my video. Please, I'm on my knees begging, and don't leave here without subscribing. So enter your kitchen and make yours, guys, and let us know in the comment box below. When I say below, it's downtown. Okay, and don't forget to share it with your friends as well on how to make this. Okay, love you guys all, as I look forward to seeing you sharing and liking my video, and don't forget to subscribe.